Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Matt is here today. Today we're going to talk about AirTags. AirTags is a super easy way to track your stuff. They've been unveiled by Apple in April 2021 and in no time they became so popular thanks to their integration with the Apple ecosystem. Attach one to your keys, slip one in your wallet or suitcase, and just like that, they will appear in the Find My app on your iPhone. AirTags don't need to be charged, but they work with a battery that can be easily replaced. We'll see how to do that. But first, let's list the 5 best uses that if you haven't done it yet, you absolutely need to try. Let's start with the most obvious and popular AirTag uses. Tracking your keys. Pop your tracker into a AirTag keychain and you will never have to waste time looking for them again. Have you ever parked your car and forgot where you left it? Hide an AirTag in the console of your car. All you need to do is open the Find My app, track your AirTag, and you will walk to your car straight away. Beside keys, wallets are one of the most commonly lost items. So putting an AirTag on your wallet is a great idea. Online, you can also find specifically designed wallet for AirTag. I put my favorite in the description down below. Most of us have a laptop bag or a backpack that carry with us every day. They store our life essentials. To protect this item, put an AirTag in an inside pocket of your bag. And yes, avoid to place your AirTag outside the bag to minimize chances that it will fall or the thieves can spot it and remove it. Now more than ever, bikes and scooters are target for thieves. Hiding a AirTag on your bike or on your scooter can help you track it in case it gets stolen. Try to blend your AirTag as much as possible so it cannot be spotted easily. As I said at the beginning of the video, AirTags don't need to be charged, so you can just attach to your loved item and forget about them. They work with a battery that on average lasts 1 year and can be replaced in no time. And just a few seconds is also what it will take you to like the video, click on subscribe and select the bell to receive notification every time we post a new video. Press down the stainless steel cover on your AirTag and rotate it anti-clockwise until the cover stops rotating. Remove the cover and the battery. Insert the new battery with the positive side facing up. You will also hear a sound indicating that the battery has been connected. Replace the cover and rotate it clockwise until it stops. When your AirTag battery is very low, you will receive a notification on your iPhone. But you can also check the Find My app and see if your AirTag battery needs to be replaced. Just open the Find My app, tap the Items tab, select the AirTag whose battery you want to check, and if the battery is very low, a low battery sign will appear under the name of your AirTag. Thank you all for watching. I hope you liked the video and you find it useful. Remember to select the bell so you will receive a notification next time we're gonna post a video. Bye everyone!